Hello friends, today I want to extend my Windows 10 evaluation period. Actually, if you can look at the bottom right corner here, you will see that actually it has expired, but the evaluation version gives us the opportunity to extend or to reset the timer. So without any waste of time, we are going to carry out this process in order to reset the timer. And to do that, I will open my Windows command prompt here as a system administrator. Now I would like to first of all check to see how many if I still have the possibility to extend the the evaluation period. So to check that, we run this command here, which will help us to know if we still have some rearm count. Okay, you can see a window pop up here, and let me see. The evaluation product key is here. So you can see here it's a rearm count 2. So I have two rearm count remaining. After this is exhausted, you cannot do anything. So I'm going to use one now to extend the period. That gives you the leverage to do your lab training if you have something to do. So without any waste of time, we're going to do rearm. So have remaining Windows rearm count 2. That out of the way. Now we are going to perform the rearm. What this does is to reset the timer, and to do that, we are going to use this command here. So we say rearm, press enter, and you can see a pop-up here says command completed successfully. Please restart the system for the changes to take effect. So we have to restart our system to enforce the changes we just conducted now. So I say okay. Now I come here to Windows and then go to power and say restart. So when the system restart, we're going to see that the information at the lower right is going to change and give us a number of days that the evaluation is going to expire. So okay, let me log in. Okay, now let me see the evaluation license is expired. I think it didn't even extend the date. So you can see, I think it was still undergoing the process. If you look down here, you see that we have this Windows license valid for 90 days. So that's 3 months. So friends, I just wanted to drop this there, but that's the end of this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much, and bye now.